Never want to hear another Red Hatter say that they support veterans.
I don't want to hear another thank you for your service.
Not.
Took my mental health care. The one thing that keeps me from people, from losing my goddamn mind. You took my goddamn peace of mind. You farce.
They fired his doctor. So they didn't tell us. Just waited until it was his appointment time and then she never showed up. And then he called to find out where she was. And she said she got fired. And this was his medication re-up appointment.
So just when you think it is one, no, they are more, and it actually looks like it's a tactic.
Veterans like myself have been warning that the Trump administration's cuts to the VA is going to affect veteran health care. And we are seeing now that the VA shakeup has absolutely disrupted mental health services for some U.S. veterans. To be clear, these disruptions are coming from the VA layoffs and return to office mandates that are impacting some mental health care for veterans. Now, some providers have been forced to cancel appointments because of a ban on remote work. Veterans who have been receiving their mental health through telehealth services are no longer allowed to meet with their counselors, their therapist, or their social worker through telehealth. So they have been getting their health benefits. They have been getting mental health counseling through telehealth for years, and now they are no longer able to access those same mental health benefits that they have had since serving in war. Now, we warned that Project 2025 was going to do this, and that veterans' benefits are going to continue to be stripped away until veterans no longer have the benefits, because they want to raise that 22 a day number. They don't care about veterans. All they see is that it costs the country money to take care of us after you sent us to war. And so please continue to speak up and prevent this Trump administration from cutting so much from the veterans that bet everything on this country.
They don't care about veterans. The Trump administration literally just told the VA that they can't use their own lawyers. If there is a problem with a veteran's benefits, or if a veteran needs assistance, legal assistance, they are to go to a political appointee for advice, not the VA lawyers. But why the hell would they do that? Because Trump is literally trying to get rid of every lawyer that could possibly stand up to him. I saw this content this girl made last night where I guess she's a corporate lawyer, and she just quit her job because her law firm is kowtowing to Donald Trump after saying they would stand up to him. And apparently this is a thing Donald Trump is doing across the legal industry as a whole. He's threatening lawyers and law firms, big law firms, in order to get them to do pro bono work for him and not take cases against him and his administration.
I am genuinely thinking to myself, if it comes to mental health, and out of all the aspects of the veterans' lives, it is the mental health aspect that Trump decided to dismantle, with America being a country where white people have. What do you think is going to happen when these veterans go on a rant? Because clearly you're going to be having mentally unstable people in society doing the most. What is going to happen if these people's mental health is not taken care of? Oh my God, like this is so the way this man is saying that you send us to WAR, we people, when we come back home, instead of taking care of us the way it has been, taking care of our mental health so we can be at ease, you take away our sanity?
Kind of funny how the lack of media coverage we got when it came to the Veterans March that happened March 14th nationwide, not just at DC, but all the capitals, the Veterans March. And the news was eerie silent, except for maybe PBS World News. I think is the only thing that covered it. So to the MAGA supporters, I bet not ever hear again you care about the veterans, because it's clear they don't stand for what's going on, and the administration do not care about the veterans. So that whole notion of we're doing this for the, we can stop it right there, because the amount of people that showed up for that Veterans March on March 14th was a resounding success. Okay, but the media didn't cover it. I wonder why that is.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. My name is Natskuna Esther. If you are new here, hi, welcome. Oh my goodness, 29,000 of y'all. Like, literally, thank you so much. This means a lot to me. Now, if you're new here, please, if you like my content, consider subscribing, like, comment, and share. Let me know what you think in the comment section, because I feel like we just 2 months in, but for the next 4 years, it's gonna be endless tiers, premium ones. You know, I saw this TikTok where someone said, with Joe Biden, he always put the veterans on the forefront because these are the people that keep America great. These are the people that guide us. These are the people that fight for our country. Just for Trump to take it away. And everybody went like, whose fault is it? Is it 60%, 65% of veterans voted for Trump? Are you trying to say they didn't know what they were doing? 65%, that's more than a half. So clearly, they were in their 10 fingers and 10 toes. They knew exactly what they were doing. Before we go on to the next clips, I want to hear from you guys. Do you think veterans are in a position where they should get sympathy from the public, regardless of their choices when it came to voting? The fact that they are veterans, they fought for the country, do you think that they do deserve public sympathy? Do you think people should stand with them and forget that, oh, they decided to put this man in power thinking he would do the most for him and he decided not to? Or should people see it as exactly apart from you thinking about yourself, thinking of what he's going to do for you? You voted from a selfish point of view, not even thinking about the other people that are not you. How is this man going to treat them when he comes into power? You understand what I mean? So I really want to know, do veterans deserve public sympathy, or people should just continue laughing at them? Because on the internet, most especially non-Trumpers, they're like, you put us in this position and the bandwagon is carrying you too. Did you think if you voted for your selfish benefits, he was gonna care so much about you? You didn't consider other people. Now you want us to consider you, to feel bad for you when he has switched up on you?